Screwdriver over here is all the way up. Don't know if you can see it in there, but probably can. But these are moving over here. The valves are moving. Everything's moving. Screwdriver's moving. Valves are moving. We are on the overlap stroke. That means both valves are open right now. Do not adjust your valves there. Turn it one more time. And then when the screwdriver comes all the way up again, right there, screwdriver's all the way up. That's top dead center on compression stroke. Now we can adjust our valves. Good. Broke his clip. Broke his clippers. Do some doctorate service here. There we go, I fixed it. Okay, these ones appear to be pumped up already, but I'm going to go ahead and readjust because they were not adjusted correctly, I don't think. Where did my wrenches go? Okay, so I'm going to do the one you can see here first. So, same deal. Bottom one, top one. You adjust, so you squeeze to make it do the direction you want to go. We're loosening right now. So it goes like that. See, put that one on there. If you want the nut to loosen, you put it on this side here. If you want to tighten, you put the wrench on this side over here. Yep, do that here. There it is. You squeeze it, makes it tighter. If you put it on the other side, squeeze it, the wrench gets looser. So squeeze it, nut gets looser, see? It's all about how you use your tools. Okay, so before we're doing about 2 turns is where we're at. Half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. There we go, we definitely got clearance. This one was closer. Okay, about right there as we want to be. Okay, just going to hold the bottom, tighten up the other one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and extra one. This time we want to tighten, so we're going to put the wrench like this. One, about 1.5 less. Now we're going to get tight, and you give it a squeeze. Like that, it's tight. You don't have to force your tools like that and have your hands fall off and bang and shit. Just do it correctly. Works a lot easier. Okay, let's do this on this one. Yeah, take that off. You hear a knocking noise. The valves are, the lifter's already pumped up. There's 0 right there. Okay, same deal. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Tighten it up. And go like that. Make sure you get enough, get a little extra. There we go. Okay, we got hydraulic action going on. That's best if you don't turn the motor over until the valves are loosened up. I don't know if I checked on that one before I did that. Probably didn't. It's best you don't turn the motor over until these are tight. I mean, they loosen up. See, that one's loose over there now. That one's not so much. The exhaust is open over there. These are bleeding down right now, so you gotta wait until they bleed before you turn them over. I don't think I did it on the other side, but probably should have. Well, just working on something else. Work on the valve. Okay, this one here, I want to get this one opened all the way, and I'll squirt the intake on this one also. And we'll see what's happening. Okay, that one turns over there now. Good. We're opening one of these valves right now. Top center is. We're back up top again. Actually, I'm not sure how long we have to wait. We got to wait until that bleeds down a little bit. Okay, I'm thinking there's some oil in this motor. I just don't know how much. Yeah. I'm guessing probably quite a bit, but let's see if it's been pumping oil back since I did all that, because it's been working a little bit. There appears to be no oil in that motor at all. So let's go over here to our oil facility. See, we got laying around on a shelf over here. Here's some 70 weight. That's good stuff. 70 weight. 70 weight. There's nothing wrong with 70 weight, especially in winter time. Okay, that has just a little bit in there. Yeah, well, we're gonna put in that one. It's gonna take a while to drain into there. I don't think I want to put that in there, but it's going to get contaminated. Well, if there's oil in it, I don't know what's in there right now. That's the problem. All right, well, I brought some oil to play around with, so I'm just going to grab some oil here. There's a 2560 weight, what we use in Evos. And twin cams. It's a little bit thicker than 2050. It's 2560. Works better. Everybody loves it when we put it in there. Thickens the oil up. Makes the motor run a little cooler because it's good oil. Way better than Harley crap. Of course, that's not saying much. Still haven't pumped up yet. Okay, I'm going to pour a little bit of this in there, not a lot. I don't know if I want to put half a quart in there, but I'm going to put something in there. I don't know how much oil it's going to take to get to the oil level. So we put a little bit in there. It's not draining out the bottom yet, that's a good sign. I want enough oil to at least put it in the oil tank. So right now I put a bunch of oil in there, it hasn't done nothing yet, so you can see how it's draining across the tank there a little bit on the bottom. So, good drains. I'm going to put some more in there. See, it's uphill to get to here. About half a quart should be enough. It's enough to run on. Nothing comes back, we'll put the full quart in there. For now, half is adequate. Okay, that one's good. Pushrod can turn, and that one's just starting to turn. Okay, they can turn now. Perfect. Okay. There's my screwdriver mat. We'll go over here. Okay, so shove this up with your screwdriver there, center the hole, push it up. Take your clip, use a medium flat blade, shove it until you hit, stick it underneath flat, just like putting your shoe on in the morning. Of course, that's back when you had to do shoes back in the 60s and 70s. We don't do that no more. sure it goes in the O-ring up in there. Same deal. Now the large one here does not work as good. It's too wide, and the skinny one is too narrow. It tends to actually cut the damn clip, and a big chunk out of grooves it. Now after you get them in there, you rotate them both together to center the O-ring up. Just go back and forth about 10-15 degrees, whatever, 20, whatever you got. Just go boop, boop, boop. Just go equal. If the push rod was on top of the O-ring, it'll pop up in there. Every now and then I do that. I pop one in because I did it wrong. So this one does not want to go down for some reason. It looks okay, but it's not going down in the O-ring like it's supposed to. It looks okay, but it doesn't want to go. There it goes. Had to rotate it to go in. It did not want to go in there. Now this one you can see the O-ring sitting on top of it. That's the problem. Obviously it's probably jamming on that push rod, that's why it wouldn't go down. Okay. Make sure the O-ring is in the O-ring should be up in the cover, not on top of the push rod like this. Yeah, that fits better now. Yeah, that fat push rod must be interfering with probably up here in the cover. We had this inner one inside is too thin. Problem. Rotate back and forth. It's almost 45 degrees of movement there. Okay, where's the other clip at? Clip this, clip this, clip this. Okay, feels good. I think we're all golden. Okay, now I'm going to turn the motor over a little bit and get my exercise. Be nice if I had 2 jumper wires. I can put an 8 light on here and test it. I've only got one now. It's hard when you don't have all the tools you need. Oh well. Should have brought my own. Should have known better. Bracing down the cylinders too a little bit. Okay. Okay, I'm getting tired. No more squeaking though, you hear that? I'm gonna go slower now. See if I get any more noises like I got before. Right there's a little bit of click click. Probably lifters popping against each other or something, who knows. It's not that bad. I think we're okay. Now let's see if we got any dark oil on top or clean oil. That means it's working. Alright, we got oil flow. Okay. See the black oil on top of the clean oil down there. That means it got oil pumping. We have oil pressure. We have oil going through the motor. Working. I'm working too. Okay. That's enough of that. I'm tired. Okay, I need to check the oil level on the tranny real quick. And that thing is all rounded out. Oh, it's really tight too. Nice. Let's see if there's any oil on this thing. It's got some nice green stuff in there. She's lubed. It's got oil. 3 containers of oil, 3 things with oil in them. I can live with that. Okay, I tightened that down that time because I want to be tight. Okay. We get this cleaned up, we'll be back.